Hello friends, I'm Manak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our video tutorial series on MS Word. So friends, in this video, we'll see how to replace text in a file of Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So friends, suppose we have a file in which there is a spelling mistake. For example, in this file, the spelling of level is incorrect. So I can right click on it and just change its spelling, or I can manually edit its spelling. Like I can type Level. So I have corrected its spelling. But what if there is a large file and in the entire file the spelling of the same word is wrong? So what will you do in that case? Let's find out. So I'll simply press Ctrl Z to undo the changes. Now what we'll do is I'll go to my home option. So I'm using Microsoft Office 2016. So if there are any other versions, the options may be different. So for now, we'll go to the home option and then simply go to replace. So I'll simply go to the home option and then here go to replace. Here I need to insert find what. So let us check the spelling which I want to find, which is Laval. I'll simply type here Laval and then I want to replace it with my proper spelling, that is Level. I'll simply click replace all. So they have done 4 replacements. Now we can go and check it out. So for checking out which replacements they have done, we'll go to find and then just type here Level and then press enter. So you can see that all the portions in which this particular word is there, they have marked it. So in this way, we can use the find option also to highlight or find a particular word. So friends, that's all for today. In this video, we have learned how to replace a particular word and how to find a particular word in Microsoft Word. So friends, if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and please do comment which topics you are interested in and your feedback. And also don't forget to share with your friends. Bye.